See that face he's making? It's because we forgot that the buy one, get one dropped. I didn't even know. And sure enough, there it is. We logged in saying, hey, those cubes ever hit? And now we have 10. 10 Star Wars Wave 2 Holocrons. Now, let's take a quick look here. Get rid of that window. All right. So, not too bad, right? We did 10, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we opened 10 Holocrons. We got 6 unique ones, which means 4 duplicates, but 6 out of 10 is not bad. So, let's see how the next 10 go.
We have never gotten an Ultra Grail. We just need...
Never, ever. Now, these we didn't expect because there's only one of each, right? You know that's not going to happen.
Yeah, so we're not going to...
And these, I think there might be one of each, too. So that's why that's not going to happen. Not even a grail of those, though. And these, there were a few different ones of the Wave 1. Well, not a few different. There was more than just one of each. We didn't get any. And we didn't get any here. I really want that Grail Mini when we get back to Mickey and Minnie, just because I want to, we're so close. These are so rare and hard to get, but that would be great.
So, forget about Ultra Grails. Yeah. Just focus on the Grail.
That would be great. And then here, really anything. Look, common Darth Maul, rare Darth Maul, legendary Obi-Wan. It's going to be hard to get all these, but...
Yeah, we just need...
These 3 to fill out, that would be great.
Yeah, we just
And when we get back to Mode 2, really, we just need that uncommon Battle Cat to create... And even though it's not technically 1983...
we
do want that one. Kind of is, right?
It's technically is. They just didn't have enough to put in common.
Well, because we have Cringer's the 1983 version, but, so...
They're both 1983.
That we got to get, yeah, because that's how they look like the original, so...
Yeah, they've both been in... They weren't food. They weren't in the movies, but
right.
Battle Cat and Cringer, they were both actually in
the shows, right?
Shows.
So, let's see what we can do here, right? So we're looking for a common and rare Darth Maul and a legendary Obi-Wan, and I think that would make us happy. Anything above that's extra gravy. Great to have, but this is what we're looking for to complete our set. So that's us, right? We're collectors, and we're trying to make a set out of these things. So, I don't have to ask, but I'm going to anyway. Row 1, cube 1?
Yeah.
Unbox.
I'm changing mine to the 3rd, always.
Well, not this time.
Yep. 3 times the charm.
Who's doing it? Me or you? You are? Okay. Common, rare, Maul. And legendary Obi-Wan. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Whoa, that made me nervous.
That kind of scared me.
Maybe it's good luck.
And
it's a common Padme. It's a common Padme. Right there. But, what are we looking at in terms of cereal? Nothing special there either. All right. Well, back to the backpack we go.
Not a special Padme.
So we're thinking this one here? Is that 3? That's what you're saying? 3?
Yeah. 3rd time's the charm.
Okay. All right.
So it's always 3. Don't even have to ask.
All right. So maybe Daddy has better luck? Let's see. All right.
We stocked up on Cringers. We stocked up on Evelyn's.
Yeah.
We're stocking up on Padme's.
All right, kiddo. Here you go. This one's your turn.
Yep, 3rd time is the charm.
Here you go, Nick. Gotta open up your Padme. Come on!
I know what we're gonna get.
No.
It's a Padme.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
yes,
it's not. Oh, look at
Uh-oh.
I don't know. It's just gonna be anything else. No. that. Boom. Look at him. All right.
We'll get another Padme.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Pretty good. All right.
We'll get a 50th.
We love that. 2 Padmes and an Obi-Wan.
We'll get a 50th Padme. We'll get a 50th Padme someday.
Maybe.
Yes, we will.
Oh, there we go. 2 Padmes and an Obi-Wan. All right. Well, there we go. That is a good way to finish it out. Check it out. We have the whole legendary set. Pretty good. We're light on the Darth Maul, so we'll see. All right, guys. Here we go. We'll be back with the rest.